Hi, a lot of people think that losing a significant amount of weight is a one-way ticket to happiness. If you are someone who's been experiencing long-standing issues with excess weight and are wanting to create a positive change in your life, you've got to understand that weight loss might be beneficial for your physical health, but it can have detrimental impact on your relationships. And I'm talking about close, intimate relationships. This video is for you, and it'll also provide you with 7 key practical strategies that I can provide to you, which will help you lose your weight, but not your partner. Watch it till the end. Hi, my name is Dr. Arun Dhir. I'm a gastrointestinal and a weight loss surgeon, and having done over 9,000 bariatric procedures gives you insights which allows you to better serve the people who come to you. This was a topic that I was not planning to talk much about because I don't consider myself as a relationships expert. However, my patients kept coming back to me asking for more information. And that's what inspired me to make this video after doing a lot of research, that how can major weight loss affect your close relationships? See, when you undergo major weight loss, and most of the times that is because of bariatric surgery or weight loss surgery, it creates significant improvement in your physical health. You've got the energy, your diabetes is better, your blood pressure has gone down, your cholesterol is going down. And what that does is, it actually starts to create your identity, the identity that you have for other people. And the most important or the most significant impact that this has upon is your close, intimate relationships. And this is what my research, and this is how I've studied it after having discussions with my patients, and especially couples. Now, the thing is, whenever there is a significant change in the personality of an individual, and by personality I mean both the body and the mind, it starts to create a different change in the opposite partner or the non-weight loss partner. They go through 2 particular emotions. One is that of envy, or let's call it jealousy, because they can see that this individual, my loved one, my significant other, whatever you want to call it, is going through this change. They are more energetic, they just have a different way of viewing things now to what they were in the past, and this creates a sense of envy and a sense of friction. The other thing that begins to happen is that they start to experience insecurity. Why? Because the individual or the partner who has lost significant amount of weight are paying more attention to their appearance now. They like the look of themselves, and that is what is causing them to gain more attention. This particular study from North Carolina University in the United States found that insecurity and envy were the 2 main reasons that the non-weight loss partners started to experience frustration and friction in the relationship, which was in many cases the reason for separation or breakdown of the relationship. Let me just share with you 3 or 4 key challenges that come up during this journey when one individual embarks on this journey to reclaim their healthy weight and also to redefine themselves. Whenever an individual goes through weight loss surgery, they are bound to lose a significant amount of weight in a short term. That means that the body has changed over a short period of time, let's say 12 months, but the brain still needs time to catch up. Not only your brain, but the individuals who are in your circle, in your close circle. So here are the changes and here are the challenges that are coming up. Number 1 is your appearance is changing. If you're the one who's gone through weight loss surgery, you are being viewed as a different person. And therein begs the question that, what your intimate other or your significant other would say, is this the same person that I actually fell in love with? The second thing is, if you're the one who's had weight loss surgery, you are most likely going to exhibit a change in your behavior. That means you were living in the past before weight loss surgery, you were living in the past which was mostly food centric. You would dine out, you would go up, and that would be your occasion or your moment to hang out together. But now food is no longer the focus, and you are talking about doing other things, such as going out, going for a walk, whereas your partner is still experiencing that, they feel that they are missing out on that person who was engaging with them in those certain behaviors. The third thing that changes is that your thinking is changing. As you are feeling more energy, having lost the excess weight, you are more energetic and you're more active. You want to go out for walks, hikes, cycling, and things like that, whereas your partner may not be interested in those things. And the last and the most important thing is that your social circle of friends also begins to change. So you start to have different circle of friends. You may be hanging out prior to weight loss surgery with people who would be more into drinking or smoking, and these are just examples. Whereas now you have got friends who would say, let's go for bowling, or let's go and visit an escape room, and that's fun for us, which starts to create a bit of a friction, and that friction slowly starts to erode that relationship. So what is it that we can do in order to preempt this and save this from happening to our intimate, close relationships? 7 strategies that I would suggest to you. First thing is, please understand that you got to seek professional help. You will only seek professional help if you are trying to prepare yourself. If you're trying to understand that, yes, this is the journey that I want to take, but I don't want to go through the pain of having to lose my intimate relationship. Because as we know, that if there are families, kids involved in that relationship, you really want to do your very best to save that relationship. So if you see that there is any sort of possibility of seeking professional help in advance, that's a great thing, because it's important to get the 2 individuals or 2 people on the same page. Number 2, you don't always need to seek professional help, just talk it out, communicate. So start with communication, and if you 2 are not on the same page, seek professional help. Third thing, don't let things get toxic, because when there is toxicity in the relationship, that negative energy, that resentment, 2 individuals start to sort of diverge on the path that they wanted to be together on, well, that relationship becomes toxic. So don't wait for that long. The third thing is, it's also important to give each other that space. You need that space to be able to think over as to, what is the bigger picture here? What is trying to emerge? And that is where it's really important to then recognize what are those values that join the 2 people or connect the 2 people together. Fifth thing is reorientate. For example, if your life prior to weight loss surgery and significant weight loss was mostly around going to restaurants, that was your only way of giving yourself that one-on-one time, well, let's reorientate. How about going for a boat trip? How about going and watching a movie, but not just focusing on food? So there are many experiences. How about going for a dance class together? So there are different ideas that can come if you start to look outside the box. That's what is called reorientation. Sixth thing is that prepare for a change. See, change is inevitable, and change is something that people find very hard to adapt. But if you are preparing yourself, you say, let's read some books, let's listen to some videos such as this, or let's listen to some podcasts as to how to bring and maintain that intimacy in the relationship such that the love is not lost. And that is the key thing, that if you prepare and if you're actively looking for role models or sources of information that allows you understand that it is not just about holding on to the image of the individual that you had in mind, because no matter what you do, change is going to come. We are going to age, we are going to grow. It's about having that acceptance that this is a journey. And the last and the most important thing is to recognize your self-worth. See, you are worthy. You bring things to the table, and it's important that you recognize your self-worth, because that is exactly, if you just radiate that I'm a victim, I have got no self-confidence, well, that's what the world is going to show back to you at all times. So recognize your self-worth, not with arrogance, but bring it to the table, and such that the other individual also begins to recognize that this is still the same person at heart who I fell in love with. So I hope this video helps you. The ultimate premise of the video is that lose your weight, but not your partner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.